Recently, we are hearing a lot of buzz around HMPV virus spreading in China. All we need to know is it is another viral particle which is very common and it tends to spread during the cold winter months. Generally, majority of these infections are mild and self-limiting. The symptoms will be mild fever, runny nose, nasal congestion, throat irritation, mild body pains, etc. Majority of them are self-limiting. The treatment mainstay remains good amount of rest, hydration, nutrition and basic medications. Very rare and seldom that these viral particles will cause severe infections like bronchiolitis and pneumonia needing hospitalization and additional treatment. General precautions like maintaining social distance, hand hygiene and avoiding close contact with people who are having cold, cough, fever till the time they settle. These are the precautions taken will help preventing the spread of these viral infections.